Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video I'm going to talk about investing in a dash cam. Now I'm going to pull up a video real quick and show you why I think that this is something important that you should invest in if you have a car. Pay attention to your left side.
Let's see if they send it.
Yeah. And because of that reason, I had purchased a dash cam. Now, I know a lot of you probably have heard about these or even seen videos about these. And yeah, it's true that they can be a little expensive. However, there are some that won't break your budget or the bank, as we say. So there are plenty of sites that you can go to, and I'm going to pull some up for you. This is Amazon. You can go to Amazon and buy one from here. As you can see, the prices are not too bad. The only research from my experience of looking at dash cams is that you can go cheap, but you're gonna lose out on some picture quality, possibly. It may not give you complete 1080 high definition. It may say it will, but it'll come out a lot more grainier, probably a little more difficult to see. However, check the reviews before you purchase. Do your research. Now, Amazon does have an American affiliate where these are North American dash cams that you can get them from the Amazon.com, and I'll leave a link to all these web pages, because there's more than just Amazon where you can buy these from. This is just one area or one locale where you can buy them from. The other one is from North America as well. This is blackboxmycar.com, and this is where I actually purchased my dash cam from. And if you go to their website, you click up here to Dashcams, and it'll take you to the you have one channel dash cams, you have two channel dash cams. Personally, I prefer two channel dash cams because it gives you that protection of both front and rear, and you know, so that can also protect you from someone saying, oh, you backed into me, or you know, I didn't hit you. You know, it can really protect your vehicle and yourself if you're ever hit from behind. Now, blackboxmycar.com is a little more pricier than some of the other websites, such as Amazon that I just showed you. However, they do give you a lot more options. They give you a lot more functionality when it comes to warranty. Sometimes they give you a 2-channel setup for a you know, a discount, or they will add an extra year warranty added on to the already 1-year warranty of the price of the product. And those are promotions that they have. If you visit their website, sometimes they have promotions up here at the top, promo codes for whether it be a 1-year warranty or a upgraded memory card, or even a discount off the rear camera. Now, there's sales going on. They just ended a sale not too long ago, so these prices kind of went back up. But these dash cams are going to give you, at least from this website, are going to give you a little bit more of bang for your buck. The camcorder, sorry about that. The dash cam that I have is actually the Blacksys, which is this one right here. Now, at the time, I did not pay $319 for that, but for $319 you get the 32 gigabyte card. Hard wiring kit you don't get, but you do get the cigarette lighter kit, where you can plug it in with the cigarette lighter and run all the cables and wires that you need for the front and the rear camera. Um, you can get an extended day warranty. As you can see, 2-year warranty is $35.99 and 3 years $49.99. Now, I will say the one difference about blackbox.com that you do not get if you purchase it from Amazon or any place else such as Best Buy is that with their warranty, and this is exclusively to blackbox.com, if you order a dash cam from them within your warranty period, if something happens with your dash cam, it's like if it breaks down or if it stops working, you contact Black Box My Car and they will actually send you a replacement camera. At that time, you send yours back for repair or replacement. If it can be repaired, they will repair it. In the meantime, you still have another dash cam for a loaner, so to speak. If the dash cam that you sent in for repair cannot be fixed or repaired, they will have you keep the replacement one that you have that they sent to you while the other one was being repaired. And that is exclusively only at blackboxmycar.com. No other website or store offers that I am aware of. So that's why I purchased my dash cam from blackbox.com, for that peace of mind. So that is something to think about. They do have videos on showing the day and night footage of the dash cam that you choose. I don't think they have video of all of the dash cams that they have on their site, but I'm not 100% sure because I was just looking for the video of the dash cam that I was interested in. Some of these dash cams have apps that you can download and use on your smartphone, so that in case you do get into an accident or an accident occurs, you can actually pull it up right on your smartphone by logging into the dash cam of whichever you choose. Now, not all dash cams have the Wi-Fi app. You have to check the specifications of the dash cam to verify that it does indeed have a Wi-Fi app. Another thing that dash cams have, if you're interested, excuse me, is a battery pack. Now, although you can use a cigarette lighter to plug your dash cam into, you can even hardwire it into your fuse box. However, it can't continue running in what's called parking mode if you connect it to your battery, because of course it will put a strain on your battery, on your car's battery, and it can wear down, and eventually it will turn itself off after the voltage from your battery has reached a certain discharge limit. However, with the Cell Link Neo battery, and right now it's on back order, and I'm just showing you what they look like. There's various external battery packs. I know Cell Link has one. Also, Blackview has one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Blackview does have one, and also Thinkware has one. So you have different prices for different models, different makes. You will need to choose the type of fuse that you use in your car. You can choose the type of output cable, whether it's 3-wire output or spliced hardwire kit, plug and play. It's up to you, whatever your preference is. Now you can also take these somewhere to get them, installed if you're not really up to par on doing this yourself. It's really not that hard. I personally have not hardwired my dash cam into my vehicle system because I really haven't had the time, and I really haven't had the necessary interest, because even though my dash cam does have parking mode, I just haven't really done a whole lot to warrant my confidence in getting one. Eventually I may get one. I'm just not 100% sure just yet. Also, you will need to there was a situation that was going on where some of these battery packs were not charging like they should. So make sure that you check your reviews and check out the ask blackboxmycar.com. That's a mouthful. So I'm just gonna try to shorten that down by calling it BBMC. Okay, they do have a chat program down here that you can click on, and here's where I asked a question about a back order on a dash cam that I was interested in. But you can chat with them. They're really good about customer service, about getting back to you, which is why I like them. There's also for UK, for those of my friends who are over in the England side of things, the other side, there's a website called Halfords, which I was recently introduced to by Colin Hilton, my good friend over in England. And they have almost the exact same dash cams as Amazon and BBMC.com. And I think the one he was interested in was this Nextbase 522 GW dash cam. It does come with Alexa built in. This is one he's interested in getting. I don't know if he got it yet. I'm not sure if he did. But just make sure that before you purchase a dash cam, you check the specifications. If you want one with parking mode where you have to buy that, you don't have to buy it, but it's recommended that you buy that battery pack with it, and that way you can hardwire it into the battery pack. And what happens is the battery pack will charge while your car is on, and then when it's off it'll discharge. However, it will keep your dash cam running. Some of these battery packs will have the dash cam last anywhere from almost 24 hours to actually 3 days. It depends on which one you get. Like I said, check the specifications to find out. And that's probably about it. I think that this is something that any person who drives a vehicle, who can afford to, would definitely be interested in getting. I really highly recommend it. I was just referred to by one of my aunts on Thanksgiving Day, and she showed me the front of her car, and she was like, did you see what happened to the front of my car? And when I looked, I was like, what happened? She said she was sitting at a light. There was a vehicle in front of her that was waiting for the light to change. The vehicle in front of her turned on, put the car in reverse and actually backed up into her. And of course, their rule of thumb is, oh, you ran into me, saying my aunt ran into them. And they was like, I was sitting here, you backed up into me. And of course, when the police come, if you don't have a key witness, an eyewitness, or if you don't have a dash cam, if anyone backs into you, you are automatically at fault. At least that is in the state of Florida. I can't speak for other states, but in the state of Florida, if someone backs into you and you don't have a witness, you are automatically at fault unless you have a key witness or a dash cam. And that's one way to protect yourself. So that way, if anything happens, you can, if you have a smartphone that has the app from one of these dash cams, if it has a built-in app, you can, or a downloadable app, built-in Wi-Fi is what I'm trying to say. If you have a dash cam that has built-in Wi-Fi, you can download the app for it, and you can actually view the footage right from your phone, so you can show the authorities what just happened. And now, in my previous video that I showed at the beginning, had I not had that dash cam and he would have collided with me, then guess what? It's easy for him to say, oh, you ran into me, or you changed lanes and you hit my boat. I only have a witness, and that was just me. So, but as I said, in Florida, anytime you hit someone from behind or from the rear, then you're automatically at fault. So I'm going to leave a link to all these websites in the description below. So I hope you guys have a great Christmas and a happy new year, and I hope this helps you out. You guys take care, be safe, peace out.